for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got trucks on with.
Hi, I'm Geenu. I'm Aarayna Kalra's mother. She's in Punjabi Bagh branch in Mother's Pride. I love her performance a lot.
Like a dragon, wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot.
I'm Aarayna's father. She is a very special kid. She performs over the stage like a rock star. It is always a delight to see her on the stage whenever she is performing. Her confidence boosts whenever she is on the stage. Today's Aarayna topic was Mother's Pride, where she explained that what was the fun she had and what are the qualities she nourished from Mother's Pride. Also with the twist that what will happen if she will go to a bigger school and what challenges will she have and how good Mother's Pride is all about. So,
wow! It's so much fun! My preschool Mother's Pride. It's so much fun! Playing with your friends, sing, smile and run. कितना मजा आता है खेलना, कूदना, पढ़ना, खाना, पीना और दौड़ना. हर स्कूल में मदर्स प्राइड जैसे पता है क्यों? क्योंकि it is a very beautiful place, very good thing. Our teacher tell us why birds and wings, where the elephants are, who take us to the moon in the sky. परियों के संग भी fly, तारों के संग टिमटिमाए, हर तरफ रोशनी fly.
Aarayna is my granddaughter. She performs very well. She is such a darling star of my life. I am proud of Aarayna.
My Mother's Pride. We enjoy school activities, listen to stories and share some love. Ha ha ha! I wonder, will it be the same? Well, we'll go to big school, big bags, big exams. स्कूल का नाम लेती भाई गाने लगता है. ये कर लिया है दोबारा या आना ना दोबारा. ये कर लिया है दोबारा या आना ना दोबारा. आगे सुनो, कोचिंग के नाम पे गाने लगता है. मुसाफिर हो यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. साइंस के नाम पे पूछो ही मत. खुदी कर ले. जब मैथ्स के नाम पे गाने लगता है, अजीब पटाखा है ये. कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म.
Hi, I am grandfather of Aarayna Kalra. Aarayna is a very loving and caring girl. Whenever I come from the office, she spends the most of time with me.
जब एग्जाम्स की बारी आती है तो ना व्हाट से है ये परीक्षा, ये परीक्षा और सबका जिया धड़ जाए. पैसे तो आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना पीछे. फेल हो तो सन से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सोना सोना लगे, जग सोना सोना लगे रे. ओह गॉड, ये सब देख के थैंक यू गॉड. मैं पाल बची. मेरा मदर से बेस्ट है. मेरे मदर साइड में कोई जान नहीं होते. यहाँ पे तो गंगाते. Everybody wants to love. Thank you.
Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot.
Hi, I am Aarayna's sister. I never expected she can stand on a stage, and she was first in the Mother's Pride. Aarayna, I love you.
Today she has won Miss Mother's Pride 2018. And I really thanks to Mother's Pride to making her confidence in her. She's performing in front of more than 100 people. And especially thanks to Tamana ma'am, Nitika ma'am. They are really make us such a hard work so that she can speak in front of so many people today. Thank you so much.
Our Miss Mother's Pride goes to Aarayna Kalra.